Welcome to BuySpares. This video will show you how to change the filters in a Dyson vacuum cleaner. Before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure that the appliance is first unplugged from the mains. Start by removing the cyclone body by pressing the clip. Release the catch on the filter cover shown here to open up the filter covering. Remove the filter by lifting it out and separate the two parts, which can then be washed in warm soapy water and rinsed thoroughly. Filters should not be put back into the vacuum until they're completely dry, so we recommend to have a spare set for use while one set is drying out. To replace the filter, reset the two parts back together, place back in the unit and clip the lid shut. Replace the cyclone body and click it back into place. For all the spare parts you need, visit www.buyspares.co.uk.